do you know? These are the payphones at Union Square Job Center, and this one actually has dial tone. I had good reason to believe these things had been unplugged. There's two of them here. Now this one almost has a dial tone. Okay, this one's dead. Yeah, this phone has the weird humming noise, but it doesn't do anything. This one also has slightly different info placards. They're the blue color that you see in other parts of the country.
And on the sleeve is going to say, yeah, before I leave. Like
Yeah, this sends you to star 10. Doesn't send you to the pre-recorded sermon. It sends you to a live person. But the phone works. In fact, why don't I put it to good use? There's a bit of a humming noise, but it works. That's where you want to be, right? Let's see if the volume button does anything. Maybe it did, I don't know. Both of these were listed on my website, if I remember correctly.
To get a replacement Medicaid card, you have to go to Brooklyn.